Pete and I are trying to make a little documentary just to remind people, particularly in Britain, but round the world, the debt that the West has to Malta.
Jekk int fanatiku tal-ġeneru tal-fantasija żgur raftu John Rhys Davis jew aħjar Gimli mill-films tal-Lord of the Rings, fl-aħħar ġimgħa kien Malta biex flimkien ma' sieħbu d-direttur Pete Doherty joħolqu dokumentarju storiku dwar gżiritna. Rhys Davis spjega kif id-dokumentarju nibet minn dram li bħalissa qed jittella fi strada stretta bl-isem The Star of Straight Street miktub minn Philip Glassborough. L-attur qal li xogħlu hu li hu stess ixandar id-dram f'forma ta' dokumentarju ċkejken.
It's based on Wing Commander Warburton, as I believe he ended up, and Christina Radcliffe, two people who met and fell in love in Malta and also, I think, with Malta. Certainly Christina did. The story is it's a beautiful wartime tragedy, really. But it shows people at their best in time of war.
Din ma kienx l-ewwel darba li l-attur internazzjonali żar pajjiżna fuq xogħol u għadaq dak kollu illi kapaċi toffri l-industrija tal-films lokali meta fost oħrajn ħadem il-film Saul Journey to Damascus. U għalhekk staqsejnieh jekk pajjiżna kif jgħidu fl-industrija it has what it takes to make it big.
Big is one thing. Strong, individual, telling. These are slightly different things. If you pick the stories right and you give it the values that you Maltese already have, there is no reason why Malta can't eventually become one of the great European centers of film.
Tul l-aħħar żjara tiegħu f'Malta, Rhys Davis kellu ċans jiltaqa' ma' żgħażagħ mitħla tat-teatru li dejjem joħolmu li xi darba jingħataw rikonoxximent fl-industrija. Dan kien il-parir mingħand attur li tista' tgħid esperjenza kull karattru f'kull tip ta' ġeneru.
It's about being able to do things. And if you, as a young person or a middle-aged or an old person, can get that into your head, then you're in with a chance. All of us need to think not of the problems, of the solutions. We're only interested in solutions. The other thing is, nobody owes you a living. Nobody owes you the certainty of stardom. You have to make that for yourself.